Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at Pictory. This is an amazing software that can do complete video automation for you. As you can see, it can do a lot of things. It can create captions automatically. It can create a video from your blog post. You can just give it a script. It can convert it into video, and a lot of functionalities are inbuilt with this software. And as you can see, the traffic is really skyrocketing with this website, and a lot of people are using it, and they are actually making money. That's why the traffic is going up, and it's about to hit 3 million visits per month. So in order to start using it, you can just use the link in the description to sign up for a free account, and you don't need a credit card. Once you log in, this is the dashboard that you can see. First, we will be converting a script to video. For that, I am using ChatGPT, and we'll be pasting that created script here, and we'll have to give it a name. So that's the first process. You need a script in order to convert it into video. Here you also have some scene settings where you can auto highlight keywords, and the visuals can be selected automatically, and new scenes can be created by pressing on full stop or by pressing on enter. You can select your preferred method here. For me, I'll be selecting both so that it will give me more options to play with. And let's look at the other options we have. On the right corner we have the character length, and on the left corner we have like spell checking is enabled, and this highlight function is to actually guide the AI to get us the most relevant visuals for our script. So we are just highlighting the keywords that AI can look for when it's going for the videos. In the stock media library, templates in the sense, this is how our captions or like subtitles will look like if we select this particular template. In the my template area, this is where we set our own branding and template size and colors and things like that. For this example, I will select this template and will select the aspect ratio as 16:9 so that we can use it for YouTube and other social media. So once that's selected, it's like preparing our video, and the script is ready. This is where all the magic happened. It converted our long script into small scenes and found the correct relevant video for the scene as well. As you can see, there is like a small link icon there. If you want to use the same visual clip across multiple scenes, now you can simply link the scene together with the click of that link button. Now when I clicked it, the 8 and 9 scene are similar. So that's the functionality of this link icon. So if you want to share similar scene for different caption, you can use this. Now we will look into another functionality called splice scenes, where we can use this functionality. If the text is too long, we can just put the cursor there and just click on splice scene. Then it will create a new scene from that sentence. Now let's look at how to actually edit the text that we see in the screen. For that, you can do it directly. You can adjust the font size, and you can just drag and drop it anywhere you like. You have all the customization options. Once you click, and you can start editing the text, and you can change the font if you like. There are like different fonts to choose from. You can select the one you like, and you can bold it. You can actually capitalize everything. You can convert it the first letter to capital, and so much more. You can also play around with the text colors. You can change the background color, you can change the highlight color, and you can add text shadows. You can adjust the text width and change to full width. As you can see, it changes to full width, and you can adjust the text width like that also using the slider. And those are some of the options. You have the adjustment grid also. Wherever you click, you can place the text like that, If you want to, you can adjust the animation of the text entry from the lots of different animation styles. As you can see, now it's in that animation style, and you can apply to a particular scene, or you can be apply to all the scenes. So you have that option as well, so you don't have to go and edit every single scene to actually make the changes to all the scene. So that's a neat feature and time saver. And you also can drag and drop this scene. It's linked, that's why both are selected. If you just unlink it, you can select this as single one. And now they have added new elements like text stickers as well. This is a new addition to the pictory software. So you have a collection of stickers, and you can delete it and add other gifs as well. It's directly integrated to the Giphy website, and you can add emojis of different styles as well. You just need to click on the particular image emoji, and it will directly come on screen, and you can just delete it just like that. Now let's look at some of the background music available with Pictory. Once you find something you like, you can just click on apply, and that will apply that entire music background to the videos that you selected. This background volume will go to 10% if you select like a voiceover.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
When you click on apply, your script will be automatically converted to voice. You also have the option to upload your own voiceover. Once it's uploaded, you will get two options to select it for the current scene or to the entire video. Once you select entire video, it auto synchronizes throughout the video, and it also asks whether the voice has like intro and outro, and select the option that fit your needs, and just click on proceed till and wait till the voice synchronization is over. Then it will give you a preview. Most of the time it will synchronize everything correctly, but if you still want to change the text to the video, you can do that. You just need to exit the preview from clicking on that cross icon, and you can just click on the add voiceover button. Now it has like many options. There you can see there is adjust voiceover. When you click on it, you have the option to adjust the voiceover to match the text on the screen. You can just adjust it like this and see the preview there as well instantly. So if once you are okay, you can just close it. So for this I am just going to remove it. When you click on audio settings, you will see that background music is set to 10% automatically. That's also a neat feature, and you can also adjust the volume like you want. This is another important feature with Pictory. You can set your brand intro and outro here, and this is where you add your branding. You can add this once, and you can use it every time when you produce a new video. As you can see, you can adjust the logo size, you can adjust the logo opacity, and you have full complete control over the settings here. I have seen in the previous section. You can add all sorts of animations and customization here. Why is this important is like with this area you can select as many templates as you want. So if you are like having different clients, and if you want to set different intros and outros for your different clients, you can do this all from here. You can set intros and outros just like this, and you can use it for your different clients without having to manually do that again and again. So it's only a one-time process, and it helps you like stay up to date with your brand all the time. So you can also change the style. This is your templates library. Here you can adjust how the text looks, how the intro and outro looks for all of your clients. And now I have just can also click on that button and duplicate the templates as well. And that's a branding, and this is the really important part. That's the style where you keep your styles consistently throughout the video. And in the format section you can also adjust whether the output is 720 or 1080. You can also use the compress feature there by toggling the button. That will compress the video size but will take more time to process. Now let's look at how to change the size of the text on the video. Just click on it and change the size. And if you want to apply this to the whole video, you can do that as well by just clicking on the apply to all button on top there. As you can see, the size is applied to the whole scenes. And you can, and if you are unhappy with the initial video that Pictory picked for you, you can always go and swap the video with your selection just like that. As you can see, now it's the more related YouTube video. And once you're happy, you can always click on preview and it will generate a preview for you. And once that's ready, you can just preview the video.
Welcome to Soft Review D. There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Sponsored content. You can also earn money through sponsored content, where a brand pays you to create a video that promotes their products or services. Ad revenue. You can earn money through advertisements shown on your videos. YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue from each ad that plays.
Once the video is generated, you will not see this watermark of story blocks, and you have also 3 options to download the video directly, or you can use a spreadsheet for making it to different posts for mass upload. Especially useful when creating highlight videos. And you can use Hootsuite, which is a social media management platform, to send out videos to all your social medias. That makes your video distribution so much easier. Now let's jump to another tool, that is article to video. For that we need to find an article. It's better to have your own article. For this example, I am just taking one from the web, and let's see. This article is about like 15 ways to make money online, and this is from MailChimp. And let's just take the URL, just copy the URL and just paste it there. And Pictory is actually scraping that article and just extracting the summary. And as you can see, it generated a summary based on this article. And you can always add to your highlight. You can just go and click on the heading, you will automatically add it as a scene, and it's just that easy. So once you are happy with this, you can make changes and just delete any scenes if you don't like. And you can just click on next, and you can just select a template. And for this video we'll be using 1:1 ratio, which is like a square box, which is used in Instagram and LinkedIn and on other social media platforms. So let's just wait till this video is finished. And once the video is finished, you can see this storyboard where you can actually start editing and making some fine tunes for your videos. You can, as you can see, when you click on the settings, you have a lot of options here. This particular image is really zoomed in, so we just need to click on that and it will zoom it out, and now it looks much better. So you need to use that option if you want to make changes like that. You can also change the transition. You have many options for different transition. You can apply it to a single scene, or you have the option to apply it to the whole entire video just by clicking that. Now let's look at the background music options that's available. We have like more than 15,000 tracks available, and there are many filters based on moods and purpose and genre and duration. even duration is available. You can sort it by duration as well. This will definitely help us find the exact background music that we are looking for based on our purpose, and if you are looking for mood also, you can get that exact background music for the project that you are working with. So that's a really neat feature to have, and I really like the filtering options with this. And once you find something you like, you can just click on apply and it will be applied to the video project. You also have the option to record your own voice, and by just clicking on that record button, and once you are happy you can just click on the preview to generate a preview, and once the preview is generated you can watch the video that you have created. I don't want background music because that will be irritating, so I'll be adding a voiceover for this demo. So once it's saved, you can just click on the preview and let's just wait for the preview.
Make money online. 15 ways to earn money online. MailChimp. Nowadays, almost anyone can make money online. Put together a cohesive strategy that you can use to make money on your schedule from home with a solid internet connection. How to make money online. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. Take online surveys. On a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Develop an app. Become a virtual tutor. Whether you are a teacher or someone.
So that's how easy it is to create a video from just your existing blog. So it will be really helpful if you have a lot of blogs and you just need to convert it into video. Frankly, this is the most exciting tool for me, editing videos just using text. For this you can use your existing YouTube link, or you can just drop your videos from your computer itself, and for this demo we'll be just using the demo video that's provided by Pictory itself, so that to make our demo easier. So once you upload the video, it will load up in the editor just like this, and this is the future. Now we can just edit videos just like a document, and that's a search bar where you can replace any common errors or misspelling, and you can also delete by searching that particular word. In this editor the words and the scenes are interlinked, so if you delete a text, and that will delete the scene from the video as well, so that will make our process much faster when it comes to editing. To show you an example, I'll just play this video.
Well, once again, I want to welcome Prime Minister Trudeau to the White House. We just completed a very productive meeting, although I regret to inform you that we still have not reached agreement on hockey, but it is not interfering with the rest of our bilateral relationship.
In this video there is which is not needed. We can just click on that text and just click on the delete from video. That will delete that text, and it will also delete it from the video as well. So let's see how it looks now.
Have not reached agreement on hockey, but it is not interfering with the rest of our bilateral relationship.
As you can see, it is removed from the video. What if there are a lot of for that you don't need to worry. You can just toggle that switch and all the are now gone. It removes all the filler words like as and things like that. So that will make our editing so much faster.
Fine. This is now my second meeting with Justin.
As you can see in this video, there are silence before he speaks. We can remove silences also using Pictory. We can also set the seconds of silence that we want to remove. Once you toggle that, it removed the silence as well. And if you want to undo that, we can undo it, but we'll redo it again, and just to show the silence is removed from the text, and to make sure that it's gone from the video, we'll play that again.
Fine. This is now my second meeting with Justin. I'm grateful that I have him as a partner.
See, the silence is removed with very minimal work. So this will make our editing process faster. We can also create highlights using this, and suppose if you have a long webinar or something like that and you want to just show the highlights to your colleagues, you can use this function. Or you can just make a short video and want to share it on social media, you can do that as well. Based on the percentage that we set, the AI will go through the script and will create an AI summary for us. And if you are happy with the highlight that the AI generated for us, we can just click on generate highlight video and it will start creating the highlight video for us. Once the video is ready, you will get a notification as an email, or you can see it from the notification above, and you can also see the progress bar there. So if you don't want any scenes to be included, you can always click on the unhighlight button and just remove it. If you just change the text, it will only change the subtitle, it will not affect the video. And if you want to create all of the scenes or separate videos, you can do that as well. All you need is click on download video clips and select the scenes that you want to download, and it will download all the scenes as separate videos. It's that easy, and you can see the status there in the notification. And it was just an example. Now I'm just canceling it. You can also choose from different styles for the captions from my library and your templates library. As you can see, it changes the caption style. You also have the option to download the subtitle files in 3 different formats: VTT format, SRT format and TXT format. Once the subtitle is downloaded, you can always open and see how it looks. And once the video is completed, you will also get a notification like that. You can access all your projects from the My Projects from top. When you click on it, it will take you to the area where you can manage your projects. You can create folders. You can give it a name and just click on create, and it will create a folder so that you can organize your files. If you want to move it, you can just click and move. You can move and select demo, and it will move that file to that demo folder we just created. This is the file that we just now created, all the scene highlights. When you click on that link button, the link is copied and you can share it with your clients or colleagues, so that you actually don't have to download it and send it. It is saved in the cloud and you can get their reviews or suggestions. This is how the file will look like. You can also play it there itself, and you also have the option to download the text file there, and you have the option to download at the top as well. So that's the cloud sharing functionality of Pictory, and if you click on it, you can see the text below as well. Now let's look at the visuals to video. If you have lot of small clips or pictures that you want to convert into video, you can use this functionality. And as you can see, you can select and upload multiple files. You can tag it so that you know what file is what, and you can just click on proceed, and you can just select from one of the templates that you like. And let's select this one and select the 9:16 ratio, so that it can be used for stories and reels as well. So these are the files that I selected, and it's taken all those files and is placed in a scene. You also have the preview button there, and we also have the option to add a scene. You can just click on the plus and you can add a blank textually or visually, and text and visual options. we can, for this example, we'll add a just a blank screen. Just click on it and it will add a blank screen to the canvas. As you can see, if you click anywhere, it will take you to the main canvas. You also have the option to add text as a scene, and once you click on it, you will have option to edit the text and customize it the way you want. Now we will see how we can add a visual after our selected scene. When you click on it, you'll have the option to search for the scene that you want, and you just need to enter the keyword there. And once you click there, you also have the option to favorite it, and you can access all the favorite from that heart icon, and that's where you will find your favorites. Once you click on it, you can also adjust the view just by dragging it, and you also have the option to trim the video. You can adjust the slider like that and set it to the duration you like. And if you want to delete a scene, you can just click on that particular scene and just click the delete button. That will delete the scene for you. So let's make some final adjustment and let's work on the intro. You just need to add some text here. You can adjust the placement and you can also select the video, and that is too zoomed in, and now that's fixed. And now let's select the colors of the text and set the background and just preview. That's it. We covered all the features. Now let's look at the pricing. In the standard version, you are not going to get the voiceover synchronization and upload your own music track and Hootsuite integration and bulk download short videos in CSV format, and that will cost, the standard version for yearly will cost you $28, and if you use this code you can save like $45 and can change it to $180. And here is the premium version. Here you will get all the features, and you the yearly is going to be $468, and if you want you can like get a discount for around $93, and the final will be around $374. And this is a no-brainer software if you are looking to make money using videos, and if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel. Let's look at the story blocks pricing. It's $15 for the starter, and unlimited access is $30, where you will be only able to download like 5 videos. But for standard Pictory you can download 30 videos per month, and for the unlimited access for the premium version you can download 60 videos per month for just $39. So that's the comparison between those two, and having Pictory account pays for itself because of the story blocks integration that comes with it. And if you want to make a faceless YouTube channel or repurpose your content for like converting it into video, this is the best fully automated software in the market right now. If you want to check this out, I'll include a link in the description along with the discount code. And if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.